So as a driver, your main working tool is Yango Pro. You go to the Play Store or App Store and you download Yango Pro. Once you're done downloading the app, you sign in with your phone number. So you enter your phone number, you're going to receive a 6-digit confirmatory code. Once you enter the code, the app opens for you and you're ready to work with Yango Pro. How do you start receiving orders? So you need to go online. Tap on the Go Online button on the screen and immediately you're online. You would notice that the arrow in the middle of the screen or on the map will change color to yellow, and the icon on the top left corner is also going to change color to yellow. This means you're online and you can start receiving ride requests. Always make sure you check your internet connectivity, because once you tap Go Online and you're unable to go online, it means that you have unstable internet or your data is turned off.